Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is 𝔼𝕟𝕚𝕚𝕚. Now, we want to continue this church building with basement. So today we are going to look at the basement aspect. Is that okay? So if you look at this, this is the plan view. Understand, this is the plan view. So the basement is around here. Can we see the basement is around this point? This way we have the basement before we talk of the first floor. Understand, around here, which means that we are going to be having a slab here beneath the earth. You understand? That's a fully submerged. This time around is fully submerged. Is that okay? Fully submerged. So we are going to do all of that, and then this one now, this place there will be nothing. So let's see how we go about it. Which means that this side here will be lower, while this one will be above, a little bit higher. Understand? Maybe around here, while this one will be around here. Is that okay? So let's see how we can achieve that. So let's start. But as we start, I want to say, if this is your first time, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Is that okay, to our channel, so that we have access to all our videos. Now, having known that the basement is around this place, is that okay? The basement is around here. What I'm going to do now is that I'll have to provide my column. Is that okay? Along this this part. Is that okay? So I'll use this type of column. Is that okay? I'll use this type of column, then right click and then property. Is that okay? Or let me change it. Let me use this one. Let me just say okay, I can use it. Then I'll change it. Remove this. Is that okay? Remove this, turn to 0. Turn this one to 0. Then come here now along this part, this one and this one. Understand? So I can have it here because the basement is along this part. Is that okay? I'll also come here now. I'll use this. Then also this one here can also be used. Okay, that's fine. So having done this one now, instead of me using what they call it, I'm going to be having my wall. Is that okay? Along this part. So I'll come here now along this part. So this one connect to this one. This is a beam here. This is a beam here. Is that okay? So I'm going to pick my beam property. Is that okay? Let me confirm this. I'm coming. Let me use this. Yes. Let me use this 450. Is that okay? From this point to this point. Is that okay? Then escape once. Then from here also, depends on your own architectural drawing. Is that okay? To this point, escape once. Then from this point to this point. Okay, so that is that. I'll now come here again. Instead of here now, that is my wall. Is that okay? This place is my wall. So I'll come here now, come to my building model. I'll come to my wall, click on the wall property appears. So my wall is what is 225. Is that okay? I'll come here now and put my 225. Is that okay? Then having done that now, half of 225, you bring your calculator. If you check your own calculator, if you say 225 divided by 2 gives us a 11, give us a 112.5. so this one also be 112.5. Is that okay? So I'll come here now, from here to this place first. Is that okay? So if you look at this now, this type of color of a wall is used for lift shaft. Is that okay? Not for basement. So I'll now come here now, come to my 3D, and then come to my default. You can see not support. Come to my, where is it? Okay, come to this place and then look for basement. Can you see basement wall? Click on it, then update. It will change the color automatically. So let's wait for it. Update. Okay, what has happened? Escape. Okay, click on this, bring up the property, then come to 3D. Yes, come here and put basement, then update. Correct. Can you see that's changed? So I'll come here now, make use of it. Okay, to this point here. Is that okay? All right. And also from here, this one want to overlap. Am I correct? Okay. No, let me change it. Let me come back to general, and then this side again. Where's my eye? Let me check my eye. We have to check where's our eye. side. Okay, I'm coming. Let me bring it up again. Let's edit it from here. From this point now, let me turn to 0. Sorry, 0. Then from here now to this point. Okay, this one is okay. That's okay. Then from here again. Okay, from this column again to this. Okay, that's fine. All right. Now, since it's a basement, all these ones I'm going to remove them. I'm going to remove all of this. I'll remove this. I'll remove this. This perimeter wall, is that okay? I'll remove the perimeter walls. Very important. I'll remove the perimeter walls. Very important. Take the property of this. Is that okay? I can take from here to this, and from here now to this. Okay, then from this point now to this point here. Okay, then I'll come here now. From this point, don't take it straight, is that okay? Don't take it straight, don't try it, is that okay? Don't try it. So in this case now, let me turn to this. Let me turn this one to 0. Sorry, 0. Let's start from the center, from the column to this. Okay, then from this column again, center of this column to the next center of this column. Okay, so from the center of this column now to the center of this column. Okay, then from here again to this point. Likewise from center of this to this. Then continue and then join this one to this. Okay, so that's fine. So now this one now becomes my slab area. Okay, let me just insert one slab. Let me see the area that we have. Double click on this. I'll take this property and come here now. Insert this slab. Okay, let's see what we are having. Okay, let me escape. Let me see what we have. Okay, area, let me see, 30.9. okay, a little bit more than 30 square meters, so you can leave it. Is that okay? But if you want, we can break it. Is that okay? You can actually break it since it's a little bit more than 30 square meters to avoid the bouncing. Is that okay? I'll take the property of this. So this one become my primary beam now. Is that okay? And then I can now split this one. I don't want to be more than 30 square meters. Is that okay? So, and it's a little bit more than 30 square meters. I don't even want it to be close to 30 square meters because maximum is what, 30 square meters. So let me use this one. Okay, then I can now take the properties of this, then insert this one. Don't forget it has been loaded. So this one, okay, this one, then this also, this one way slab, likewise this one. Okay, having done that, let's see our 3D and see what we have. So you can now see what we have now. You can see this basement area. Is that okay? So since this is the basement area now, and the soil, is that okay? This place is inside the soil. Why this place is above the soil? Is that okay? Because of the topography. You understand? Because of the topography of the place of this church. Is that okay? All right. Next, what I'll do now is I'll generate. Is that okay? Let me generate so that we can now see how we are going to edit it. Okay. So I'll come here now under video set out. Come to my story, this, and then come to insert story. Then I'll come now, instead of a 2, I'll make it 3. Then generate member from selected story. Click on this. I'll say yes. Let's wait for it. Okay, so this is what we have. Is that okay? This is what we are having. I don't know why this place is not coming up. This place is supposed to come up. This place is supposed to come up. Okay, because we don't have a beam there, so let me just use this one to get my beam. Okay, so I'll come here now. This is story 2. Yes, story 2. I want to follow this. Is that okay? I will come here. Okay, let me go to plan view. Let's see something there. Story 2. Is that okay? So we need to check this one out. Let me do something. I'm coming. Let's do something. Go back to 3D view. Okay, I'll remove all. Is that okay? I'm going to remove all. Is that okay? Go to story 3, click on it, right click and click on remove story. Is that okay? I'll say yes, of course, no problem. Okay, come to 2 again, these 2, right click and say remove story. I'll also say yes. Okay, that's fine. So this is what we have now, isn't it? This is what we are having now. So I cannot go back now. Let me click on save. Is that okay? Let me save it. Okay. Alright, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe if it's your first time. Is that okay? If you wanted this version of Protastructure 2025, why we are using this 2025 is because many people have been complaining about their own 2025 still is not working. That's why we are dealing with this church, because this church is going to be a steel roof. Is that okay? It's a life project, steel roof. That's what this church is all about. That's what they are going to be using. They are going to be using steel. So that's why I want to use this 2025 to demonstrate it to you, to know that, tell you that yes, 2025 is perfectly okay. And if you want a correct version, you can get across to us. Is that okay? All right, that's fine. You can come here now, click on do this set out, and then come here now again, and then put insert story. Insert story. First of all, let's make it 2 first. Let's make it 2 first. Let's see. Generate from serial member. I'll say yes. Let me see. It's supposed to come up together. Why is my system slow? Okay, so can you see what we have now? I have this, so I'll go back again. Is that okay? So at this point now I can do this. Let me select this one and delete it immediately. Is that okay? I'm coming. Okay, yes, I'm deleting this. Sorry, I'm deleting all of this. Is that okay? Let me undo this first. Okay, I'm deleting this. Yes, I'm deleting this. All this, I'm going to delete them. Is that okay? Likewise this. Okay, I'm deleting this. If I select all of them, is that okay? And I say I want to delete this downside, will also be deleted. So let me do it this way. Okay, haven't done this like this now, so we can do the connection later. Is that okay? All these ones this side are not even needed, but let's wait for it. Okay, so now this place now becomes my ground floor. Is that okay? This down, this place becomes my ground floor, so which means we need another floor for it. Is that okay? Another floor for it, because there's a gallery at the top. So I'll come here now, just follow. You are going to see what you are going to achieve. Is that okay? Come here now and click on insert story. Instead of 2 now, make it 3. Okay. Oh, sorry, cancel. Okay, let me cancel it. Insert story, and then come here, insert story, make it 3, generate, and then click on this and then say yes. So let's wait for it. Okay, so this is what I have now. Is that okay? If this is what I have now, what I'm going to do, because this place becomes my ground floor, the whole of this place becomes my ground floor, so all of this will go, all of this will all go. I will say delete column. Yes, of course. Correct. So you can now see what we are having now. Is that okay? So also delete this one. Yes, delete this. Let me see this. Likewise, this one deleted. Okay, so having done this one like this, the next thing I will do is to do what? Delete this one. Is that okay? Come here now, delete all of this. Is that okay? Let me see if I can select them, and then let me do like this. Okay, let me see delete. Okay, I'm deleting slab. Yes, I'm deleting the slab load. Yes, beam. Yes, column. No, I'm deleting every other thing, but I'm not deleting the columns. Yes, click on this. Let's see. If not, we'll undo. No, sorry. Okay, let me select this, delete. Okay, so I'm not deleting, sorry, okay, yes, I'm supposed to uncheck this. I'm unchecking the rest, I'm deleting them, but I'm not deleting the column. Click on this, let's see. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, come here again, let me zoom it, then come here like this, select all of this, and then press delete, and also remove the column. Okay, every other thing deleted. Okay, perfect. So you can now see what we are having now. So can you see it now? So this one becomes my, all these places now, they are inside the soil. They are inside the soil, isn't it? These places are inside the soil. Why this point now? This point becomes the ground floor. This is the ground floor. This place, I'm going to remove this, all of this slab. So we are going back to what we have the other time. Is that okay? I'm deleting, sorry, delete this one, delete this, delete this, delete this. Is that okay? Delete all the slab at the roof. We don't need the slabs. Is that okay? Delete this, delete this, also delete this, delete this. Now I haven't deleted all of this. Okay, since it's the roof and we are going to be using steel, so all the inside, and don't forget that this place what is a gallery. Is that okay? So I'm going to delete this one now, all this beam. I'll just take my time to delete this, just follow. So you have to take your time to do the proper modeling. Is that okay? So I'll come here now, let me concentrate on this aspect first. Likewise, this column is going. Is that okay? It's the gallery side. Is that okay? So come here now, all the perimeters, they will definitely go. Is that okay? I will have said let me pause it, but let's just follow it all together. Do you see what I'm doing? That's the essence. Is that okay? Though at times I can pause if it's one that is going to take much time, but this one will not take much time to achieve this. Okay, all right, so this side can be left. Is that okay? We can leave this side based on the, based on this. You can leave this one. I'm coming. Now we are removing this one. Let me see, I'll check again. Is that okay? So come here again, delete this one. Is that okay? All right, so you can see what we have now. This is what we have. Is that okay? So you can see it. We can see what you can see what we have now. So this one becomes, this is our, what do you call it, our gallery. Is that okay? This is our gallery now. So you can now see it. This is the ground floor, this is the gallery, and this is the roof. So we now come to this side now, this other side. Definitely because of this height, you understand, because all this place now, the column is coming from down, understand, going all through to support this side. Is that okay? Because all these places now, all this place we are seeing is the ground floor. It's become the pulpit. This is the pulpit area. You understand? This is the pulpit area. So automatically this one is going. Is that okay? All these places was, they are also going. Is that clear? Though they are definitely, we are going to have a beam because of the height. Is that okay? Along this this part. So I'll now come here now, story 2, then remove all this. Am I in story 2? Let me see. Come to story 2. I think I need to delete this. Okay, this is where we have. I'll remove this slab. Am I correct? Hope I am. Okay, let me go to story 3 first. Story 3. Remove this. 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 Is that okay? So this one also, I'm going to come here now, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this. They are not needed. Sorry, the perimeter that are needed. Click on this. So if you understand the architectural plan and you can picture it, I bet you are what, you are good to go. So I'll take the property of this. Is that okay? So now check our 3D. Take it here. Okay, let me just take it all through. Okay, this time around, let me just take it all through here. Okay, and then from here again, then all through here. Correct. From here again, to this point here. Okay, that is fine. Let's see how the top is at the, can you see? You can ask what we are having here now. Don't forget that this place now all through is going to be backfill. Is that okay? This one is the ground floor. This is the ground floor. Is that okay? Why this place is the gallery? So this ground floor here now, they flush together with this. So this one is around pulpit now. Is that okay? This is the pulpit area. So definitely there's nothing here. So we are going to be removing this. Is that okay? We are going to be removing this. Let me go to that. Will be story. Let's see. Story 2. Okay, that's fine. So remove all this slab. They are not needed. In case this is your first time, as I said, don't forget to subscribe, because the more when you subscribe, automatically anytime we release video, you'll be notified by what? By the YouTube. Okay, so that is fine. So at this point now, this one here, let me see my 3D. Okay, all right, that's fine. I'll come back here now. All these ones are not needed. All these beams, I can just select these ones like this, then press delete on my keyboard. I don't want to delete the column, only the beams. Then click on OK. That's fine. So I'll come here now, double click on this, and then from here connect this beam together, connect this one together, then come here again, come down here, delete connect this one, come here again, and then from here to this one here, then come here now, delete these ones, press delete and say yes, of course. Okay, so let's see our 3D so far. So you can see what we have. Is that okay? So you can now see what we are having perfectly okay. Can you see it now? So now this place now becomes my, the whole of this place now becomes my what? My ground floor. The whole of this place ground floor. Why this one is the gallery? Is that okay? Why this place is the pulpit? Is that okay? Is the pulpit? Why this place what is basement? So you can now see how we have successfully modeled this. Now I haven't done this one now like this. The next thing, if you look at that, you know what? Moment. Can you see all these moments here? Moment sign here. This one does not have it. They don't have it. Is that okay? Since they don't have it, without this, you cannot see the, you cannot see any, you cannot design the foundation for this. Is that okay? So now, for example, let me go to story 1, story 0. From here now, I'll go to story 0. Can you see? We can only have this column, but all the columns here are not being seen. Is that okay? You cannot see them. Why? Because there's no what? It's form of a support or moment. Is that okay? So let me now go back to how do you make it appear. I'll double click on this. Okay, go back to the 3D view. Is that okay? I'll then go to my support. Is that okay? I'll go to my support. I'll go to my coming. Let me see. See where is it? Where is it? Okay, come to modeling. Yes, for modeling you can see support type. Click on it. Now in this case now I want to create my own support. I'll type on this one. So I'll click on add, and then I'll name it can say support A, like just make it support A. Support A. Is that okay? I'll click on OK. Then it's still the same support I want. I'll then click on OK. Is that okay? That's fine. So I can now come here now, click on this, right click, and then click on the property, make it a where's property, and then come here now under that support type. I'll come here now. Can you see support A? Click on it, then update it. Can you see it now? So you can you see how I've created the support for this. So if I now go back to my story 0, can you see the column now? With this one I can do my foundation. Can you see that story 0? Because you know that at story 0 we do our foundations. Is that okay? So that is that. So I'll also go to the next one now. To the next one, click on this, right click or double click. Is that okay? I'll come to this place now. Is that okay? And insert the support type, this one, then click on what? Update, and that is it. Is that okay? So that's fine. So I'm going to pause at this point now. I'll pause it in order to do others. Is that okay? All right. Or another option that we can also use is what I can use select. Let me select a few of them. Let me select all of this, then right click, come to property. Is that okay? Come to property and come to this support. There's a place you see support. Where is support? Can you see support type? Can you see it here? Click on this. I'll just make it A. The next one, make it A. Go to the next one. Support A. You understand? Support A. Come here again. Support A. Come here again. support A, click on this, support A, support A, support A, support A, support A, support A. Instead of doing it from there, you can just use this. We already have support A here, so I'll now click on what? After that, I will now click on close. Can you see it? Can you see the one we have done? Can you see them? Is that okay? So the rest, this is how you go about it. Is that okay? All these ones have been done. So which one again? I can click on this, double click on this, then come to this and then support, type A, update. That is that. Is that okay? Alright, so you can now see that yes, we are done with this so you can now see the structure with different levels of foundation. Can you see? So the next thing now is to put our wall load. Is that okay? So for us to put this wall load now, first of all, you have to adjust this roof beam. Is that okay? I'll go to story 3, go to this. Can you see now that we have all the columns appearing on the foundation level? Can you see it now? So I'll go to story 3 now. Now select this one now, click on this, and also come here now, click on this. Click here, press your shift key, and then try to check again, then right click and then click on edit section and material. So from there now I will now edit my column. Okay, all of them 300, then click on OK. Let's wait for it. Okay, all right, done. 300 all through. Can you see it? 300 300. Is that okay? So if we want, we can actually remove this. Is that okay? We can remove this these beams here to reduce the number of beams. Is that okay? We can reduce all these beams. Is that okay? To reduce this number of beam here. Is that okay? This is the roof. At the roof level, yes, we can reduce this one too. We can remove this one. Is that okay? So we leave this one. Is that okay? All right. So let's now check our 3D. Okay, we all have it now. Can you see it? So now we need to edit our height. Is that okay? The height of our structure to sum this particular beam now. Sorry, this particular column at this level here. We can decide to reduce it from like 230 to what they call it 225 by 225 instead of 225 by 350. You understand? So all of this depends on what the architect, your discussion with the architect is. Okay. All right. Having said that, now let's quickly increase the height of our structure. So for us to do that, I'll come to this place now, building model, that's building set out. Come here now, come to this story operation and come to edit story. And from this edit story now, this story 1, which is the basement, is okay. That's our basement. Is 3,350 according to that architect. So this one also, which is the this other side is our ground floor, while this one is the top here is also 3,350, 3,350. Then why the last one is 3 meters. So I'll now click on what on let me see, first story bottom level. I don't need that one. What is again? I think that is all. I'll now click on OK. I'll now say yes. Okay. So you can now see there's adjustment in height. Can you see? There's adjustment in height. This height, this one, but this one the same. It's 3 meters. Is okay. So having done that calculation now, let me bring up my calculator. We say it's 3,000. 3,000. This beam here is what? Is 300 depth. So I'll come here now. 3,350 minus 300 give us what? 3,050. Is that okay? So having known that now, I'll now click on this one, right click, come to edit load. Let's wait for it. Edit load. Let's wait for it. Okay, so we have it here now. So I'll now click on my wall load. That's what I want. So this place now we have our 3.47. Is that okay? Then my height is what? 3,050. That's 3050. Is that okay? Millimeter. Is that okay? And my wall thickness is what? 225. Is that okay? Having done this, I'll now come here now and click. Is that okay? Confirm this one. 10.584. also 10.584. I can now click on what? On OK. So let's wait for it. This is how you load your basement, your wall, block wall on your basement. Can you see it now? So I'll click on this one and right click and then click on copy. Is that okay? Where is it? Copy load. I'll now say yes. Then I'll click on this one now. Come to click on story 1. Then click on this. All was selected. Click on this one now. Press my shift key and click on the last one. Then I'll right click and then click on paste. So let's wait for it. So can you see it now? So can we see it now? So this is what we are having at this point. Now the calculation here will now be different because this one, the height from here to this place is what? Is just 3 meters. So I'll now come here now. Don't forget it's also 300. So I'll come here now. 3,000 minus 300. That gives me what? 2,700. So I'll come to this place now. Click on this, right click and then click on edit load. Once it comes up, I'll click on wall load. Then I'll come here now, 3.47, but at this point now I'll make it about 2,700. Is that okay? So this one still remains. Is that okay? I'll come here now, click on this. Can you see 9.369 average? So I'll now click on what? On OK. Then click on this one and right click and then click on copy load. Sorry, undo. Yes, click on this, right click and click on a copy load. I'll say okay. Then I'll now come to story 2. I think that should be story 2. Yes, correct. So I'll click on any of them, this one. Then all the story 2 beam will appear here. I'll press my shift key down, come down and click on the last one and confirm it up. Correct. You see, remain this one. So click on this one first, then go down, press my shift key, click on this and then confirm it from up. Okay, then right click and I'll click on what? On a paste load. Let's wait for it. Correct. So I haven't done this one now like this. You can now see I haven't done all of them like this. Press somewhere else or escape. Is that okay? So I don't really like this color. So what I will now do is that I'll come to this place and do my change of color and layer. Can you see layer and color setting? Click on this and let's wait for it to pop up. So while we are waiting for it, in case this is your first time, please don't forget to like and also subscribe if this is your first time. Is that okay? But the more you like, the more YouTube make this video to go viral. And also, if you need any software at all, you can contact us. Understand? Contact us through the WhatsApp number that we are seeing on this video. Is that okay? All right. So I'll come here now. Come here and come to partition wall. Let me see partition. Can you see partition wall? Come to partition wall hash. This particular one. You can see the color here. Click on this color. Which color are we looking at? Let me say we are using this one. Then click on OK. Then come here now and then increase the opacity. Understand? Somehow. So I will now click on OK. Let's wait for it. Can you see it now? You can see what we are now having. I want to make it more deeper. Is that okay? Let me click on it again and scroll down to partition wall. Excuse me. Partition wall. This one. Okay, sorry, it's the same thing. Click on this, then drag it to the end. Click on OK to make it. Can you see now? So we can now see what we are having. So with this one now, in this case now, I'm not going to be putting a wall load at the roof. Is that okay? To take care of the roof load, because I'm going to be using a what they call a steel. Is that okay? Don't forget, the purpose of this video is to show you that our Protastructure 2025 is working perfectly in terms of steel. So in case your own is not working in terms of steel, just let us know. We'll get across to you. Is that okay? You can reach us via the WhatsApp number in this video. Is that okay? All right. So this is how you go about it. So the next class now will now be on what do you call it? Our modeling of the roof trusses. Is that okay? It's going to be modeling of our roof trusses. That's what we are going to be doing in our next class. Is that okay? So thank you very much. I'll see you next time in our next video. I want to say please like and also subscribe. Subscribing, you don't need to pay any penny. Is that okay? So that is that. So we also have a software called KCSoft, which is very fantastic for those who want to really know how to use it. You can contact us. We'll show you how to use it. It's very, very perfect. Is that okay? We will teach you how to use that KCSoft. It's very, very simple, and it reduces your work up to 85%. So 15% just for you to do 1 or 2 adjustments. You can finish your staircase with less than 15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes, you can finish your staircase. Is that okay? That software is very fantastic. Some that are talking about it is because they have not known how to use it.
Is that okay? And for those who have known how to use it, they are really appreciating it. Is that okay? Anything you don't understand in our software, just get across to us. We will explain. Get it first, and you see that yes, it's wonderful. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. In our next video, I want to say bye. Sorry, there's a mistake here. So can you see at this point here, because this place is our altar, pulpit, and this is the congregation, understand? So this place is our altar. There's altar here. Is that okay? On top of this basement, that's our altar. So in this case now, so this one we are not supposed to have it. So I'll select this one now, press my control key, click on this one to select those ones that are not needed. Click on this one, and then this one also, then right click and click on delete load, then I'll say okay. So can you see it now? You can see what we have now. So can you now see it? Is that okay? Because these are pulpit. Is that okay? This is the pulpit. So and this one, don't forget, is the ground floor. Is that okay? So why this one is the okay? Even these ones we have to remove them. Is that okay? So it's not oversight. So click on this one, then press my control key and then come here now. Select them, as many I can select very fast. Is that okay? Okay, let me just do this one because all this place is what is gallery. Is that okay? We don't need any wall. Is that okay? So I'll now right click and then click on delete load. I will say yes, of course. So can you see it now? So you can answer what we have. This is what we are expected to have. Can you see it? Very, very fantastic. Is that okay? Thank you very much and bye.